Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down almost to the very bottom in order to find either the accounts or Google. It's totally up to you which section you prefer to use to add the account. I prefer this one, so let me tap on it and then tap on add account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, totally up to you. And now in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it quickly and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, perfect. After entering the password, simply tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy and Google Play Terms of Service. Simply tap on the specific option to check the information and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And if you want to learn more about the backup, the Google backup specifically, simply check our tutorial about it. So let's tap on accept, as I said. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on the account and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. Okay, I have no idea what's that. Alright, and as you can see, our Google account will immediately disappear, and of course all of the data assigned to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.